Hello everyone, my name is Anastasia and I introduce you Mersin Real Estate Agency, and today I want to show you two showrooms, 1+1 apartment and 2+1 apartment, and I hope you will like it because actually me and my colleagues are really excited about this developer because all of his projects are awesome with the huge sizes of apartment in different districts from in the whole Mersin. And exactly this project we have in Cheshmeli, the really nice district, famous because of the summer holidays. There are not so many people all around the year, but in the summer it's pretty crowded. But anyway, I like this district because of the gardens. You will have peach trees, you will have lemon trees, you will have olive trees. There are not so many huge buildings like we have in Mersin, for example, because this district is for, for holidays, for enjoying, for life. And yeah, actually there are one special rule in this district that you cannot continue the construction during the summertime because people here are for vacations. So this is really nice and really good. And like especially me, I love this developer. We have some videos about his other project like a beach and holiday, and the name of all of his project is San Maria. And I like this, marketing style and everything. So I'll show you today two showrooms, as I said, 1+1 and 2+1. And we quickly start from 1+1 apartment and we will end up in 2+1 apartment. I hope you will like it. Let's go. So guys, let's quickly start from the salon and kitchen. And yeah, I really like it because look, it's really huge apartment. I'd say this because nowadays you cannot find this size of apartment everywhere. And of course my special love is this marble real stone with this way of doing it. As I said, I love this developer because all of his projects are really incredible and I really like it. And we had one other project in Cheshmeli as well with a huge wardrobe, and it's really nice, and we almost sell everything there. But this complexes, it's two complexes actually. It's really nice and I really like it because of the, first of all, location, second of all, prices, and third of all, because of the the way he's doing it, because it's a little bit different design there. And yeah, it's really nice actually. We have two balconies, and I remind you, this is a showroom. We have more of this. If you're buying some apartment like a little bit upstairs, you will have perfect view on the gardens, on the lemon gardens, on the peaches gardens, and the smell, especially in April or in May, is amazing. And as well, you will have some we have some apartment which has apartments like the panoramic view on the sea, and it's also really nice. Meanwhile, we also have here aqua park, swimming pool, and more like hammam, saunas, gym, walking path, everything. And it's really nice. I really like it. And if you want exactly the same apartment with all of the appliances and furniture, he can do it. It's not a problem, and just pay more money. I think it's also really nice, and I like it because, for example, I had some customers, it's a family, and they were in love with this design. They said, I want exactly the same apartment. I want this couch, I want this sculpture, I want everything just like here. And he said, okay, let's do this. So it's really nice. I really like it. And we are going to our 2+1 apartment. Let's go. Ta-da! We are in a 2+1 apartment, and I want you to look at the entrance and of course of the design of all of this. So it's really nice and it's really huge. Actually, just look how big the shower room is, the bathroom is. So it's really nice. Yeah, and I love the design, I love all the colors, and it's really cute, really cute. Just look at the like children's room. Isn't it amazing? You have everything here, and yeah, it's just really nice, really nice. And actually, I don't know what I love more about this apartment, this exactly 2+1 apartment, the wardrobe or the kitchen and salon together. It's really nice. And actually, I don't know if you noticed, but I want to remind you that in 1+1 apartment we had 2 balconies, one technique balcony and one normal one. Here we will have 2 balconies, like one is a terrace and one is just usual one, but anyway, you can put chairs somewhere here or there, and it's also really nice. And what we else have here, we have wardrobe. And you know, if you were watching my videos, you know how am I excited of this. Really, I really like it. It's not so big, but you can put something here as well, or we can figure it out in something new. So it's really nice and I really like it, really like it. And also you will have your own master's bathroom, and it's also what I like about this. And yeah, it's me, and we also are going in also my favorite part, the kitchen. And I'm a person who loves to cook, and I like all of these designs. And when I'm in showroom kind of like this, I really want to live here. And also it's like kind of American style that we have here window, and it makes more bright here, more space here. And if you've been watching like serials from 90s like Charmed or something, you remember this view. And it's really likable, you know, really I'm in love with this. Here we have a little bar, and here we have our space for your comfort, to watching TV or something. Also here we have really nice and big terrace. And I like it because I like the square shape, because you can put sofas here or your children can play there, and it's really nice. I really like it. So just look at this incredible apartment. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, because I did. Really, I love this developer and the prices are nice. And if you're paying all together, like all in once, 100%, he will give you 5% of discount. So I think it's a really nice choice. So think about it, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.